In the green hills just outside Rio de Janeiro lived a curious boy named Robert. One sunny morning, he set out to the forest to collect fresh fruits for his mother. The Christ the Redeemer statue loomed high above, watching over the city, its arms spread wide as if blessing everyone below. Robert carefully picked orange, banana, and mangoes, humming a tune. But as he climbed a steep path, he tripped over a tree root, and all the fruits tumbled down the hill, bouncing into a small stream. "Oh no, how will I bring this home?" Robert sighed, looking up at the statue as if seeking some guidance. Suddenly, a swirl of wind appeared, and out popped Shashi, the one-legged trickster, with his bright red cap, giggling as he hovered in the air. "Lost your fruits, little boy?" Sashi laughed. Before Robert could answer, a bright green parrot with red and blue feathers swooped down and landed on a nearby branch. "Hola, hola, Robert! What a clumsy boy! Did you really drop all your fruits?" The parrot squawked, flapping its wings excitedly. Robert giggled, despite himself. "Yes, but I need them for my mother. Can you please help me?" Sashi tilted his head. He laughed tricks, but something about Robert's honesty and the little boy's brave voice touched him. Maybe this time I'll help," Sashi said with a grin. He spun his red cap, and a gentle whirlwind lifted the fruits from the stream, carrying them carefully back to Robert's basket. The parrot chirped happily. "Marvelous! Even a trickster can be kind." Robert bowed to the parrot. "Thank you, and thank you, Sashi. I promise to always respect the forest." As he walked home carrying his basket, Robert looked up at the Christ the Redeemer statue, shining in the afternoon sun. He felt thankful, not just for the fruits, but for the lesson he learned that honesty, kindness, and courage can bring help from unexpected friends. Sashi winked and vanished into the wind, while the parrot flew alongside Robert, squawking happily, "Amigos para siempre, friends forever." Moral of the story: honesty and respect bring unexpected help. We'll see you, friends. Bye bye.